Well, hello, hello. Let's go. I'm gonna get some tunes for myself. Should I wear the glasses? I should, right. Take care of myself. Glasses, the headphones, like foxtails and all that stuff, make sure it's there. What are we doing today, right? Right. Kitty, kitty. So what was I doing here? Okay. What the fuck? Why is the cursor? Because we selected. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I think the ID should also be a link. Let's see if I can make some progress today. Uh, see details. What the fuck? All right. So this is the thing I don't really get. I don't want to be passing this like as a one thing. I want to say this entire object is a fucking subscription. The fuck? Okay. Let's go to spam. Decoupled. I don't know, decommenting the structuring parameter. Yes. Nick, how you doing, my dude? You know how I mentioned that I really wanted to do group work before? Huh? Coco, what do you want, babe? Hmm? What's my kitty want? I'm gonna let him outside. I'll be back. I'm gonna refresh my tea as well. Tell me what you want, big boy. Coco wants something. What? All right, I'm back. Static. Lord, please spare my life. I realized that my desire was built on the fact that I assumed that my teammates would be of roughly equal quality and skill. Not this. That these indeed are the people. So I can definitely attest that you have a point there. Like dealing with other people are not going to be easy. However, if you are to work with like in pretty much any industry, you're going to have to deal with people. So I would say like, you know, learn how to fucking deal with people. You gotta have to learn to deal with these people, bro, because that's how it's gonna go. There's always gonna be a human interaction in whatever job you work at. Even if you are like running your own, you still need other people to do certain things. So you have to interact with people, right? And you gotta learn to handle that situation. Like it'll be ill effect of like morning people. Let's say everything at 8 a.m. Yeah, I dread those. On a Saturday, no, they can fuck right off. On it during the weekday, if it is like on the clock, yeah, that's kind of okay. But still, like on a weekend, nah. Unless like you are working and like you're expected to be working and you know that ahead of time, yeah, go do that. There you go. So it does work like that. So it's gonna do from subscription. So this entire thing is a subscription. I thought I'd be free of their graphs in the tech world. No, So the the experience is going to be definitely different, right? Like I worked in retail, for example. Like I worked in restaurants, and the like your colleagues, they're gonna have like different mindsets, different behaviors and attitudes, and different like environment overall. The people that you interact with when you are like working as a programmer, right? So, but regardless of like whatever industry you are in, you're gonna be dealing with people. There are some jobs you probably won't have to deal with people, but most of the time it's going to be, there's going to be people that you have to interact on a daily basis, especially engineers, because there are code reviews, there's like project roadmaps, there's tech dev, there's sprint planning, there are retros and, daily stand-ups and, you know, people asking for help, people offering help, you will need help, like there's always going to be an interaction. So, and like one-on-one with your supervisors and shit like this. So your people skills are definitely important. And if you don't interact with people, you are not going to acquire them. Even here, the Islamic tentacles drag me into the episode waking up before 10. Yeah. I mean, I worked with one other person on a dev project, and he was roughly the same skill level. That was a pretty good time, actually. Yeah, I mean, when someone like when you work with someone who knows what they're doing, that that you can communicate and pass things like without difficulty in terms of communication, that genuinely helps. Yeah, I am Grunad. Yo, welcome. How you doing? I'm doing good. How are you, man? Welcome. Still breathing. I can call you Shy. All right, Shy. It was like a solo dev project, but I got the foist off half the work. Foist. Okay, I don't know what the fuck that word means. Let me Google this. Search Google for foist. To force upon or impose fraudulently or unjustifiably, usually followed by on or upon, to foist inferior merchandise on a customer. To bring, put, or introduce surreptitiously, what the fuck, or fraudulently, usually followed by in or into. To voice political views into a news story. Damn, this is a nice fucking word. I just learned something. I don't know if I'm going to remember this motherfucker, but good word. I like it. I don't know how you are using it though. Foist off. What does it mean? Foist off. Definition of foist off: well, sell as genuine, sell with the intention to deceive. Ah, another word for like cheating, but this is like more precise for a situation. All right. What are you building? I'm still building the file lib, the project, but still working on this. But I'm working on like this list item here, like the past subscriptions as a list. Okay, that hoist. Hoist sounds like a mock word, like it's like you're mocking somebody or something. you know? All right. So I put the documentation on this thing here, the commentary for not knowing English. No, actually, that's a dumb thing. Hold on. Do I have a link? On a working on a larger group project, I've seen some really questionable code. That's going to happen. They'll never go away. What's the stack? Is it blah, 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 blah. What is it? Is it Java? There you go. Moria on YouTube coming out. How you doing, Moria? Welcome. The move from my area of responsibility with clean modular code into the mess of barely core unrecognized functions and files was really jarring. Oh, bro. I've been searching this for 2 years in my software career. What it takes to be a better software engineer, in my opinion, in my experience, practice and practice debugging and practice restructuring, and you gotta practice. I guess that's it. And practicing the way, like, not just lead code and like HackerRank code and shit like this. Actually create projects. Like, doesn't matter how small, create a functioning little product or something along those lines, because they'll, like, you don't necessarily like only need to know a language. You need to understand how to implement things as a mechanism, as a working mechanism, right? So when you start creating something, you're going to come across like your own shortcomings, and hopefully you'll realize those, and then it will only practice no special ingredient. I mean, you got to keep yourself up to date. That's one thing. Learn about, like, shit, the words are escaping me today. Fuck. It's on the top of the tip of my tongue. Learn about design patterns. Fuck, pattern. I fucking forgot the word. Learn about design patterns and how they work. Learn about dependency injections, how they work. And then, like, whatever the area of like industry that you're trying to get into, make sure that you have knowledge of it. But, like, that's the thing with the like programming. It's constantly evolving, so you have to constantly keep yourself up to date and keep practicing. Don't learn OOP. No, no, no. Make sure you understand OOP, because the chances that you're gonna be like you working at a company and not use OOP is like next to nothing. Uncle Nick, the basement dweller. God damn it. Okay. Nick hates it to the fact, like, to the point he's just like fucking constantly brings it up. I need to give this a proper name. This color, like, what the fuck do I name this? I find it self-evident that all surely is a blight and stain upon the glory of the Omnicia. I don't understand the hate on it that much, man. It's crazy. I mean, if you're not gonna use OOP, what's the point of learning Java? You know. Ah. Ah. Did it update? I can't fucking tell. Okay, now it updated. Yeah, this looks good to me. Honestly, that's fucking fine. And if I go over here to dark skin, the color is inspect. Mm. You are 23 now. The big picture for me is to become a millionaire or billionaire and build software products. You have your whole life ahead of you, man. So I can pass styles on this motherfucker here, but I don't think that's really gonna work because that's not a chakra component. It's not gonna translate. Uh, Okay, I wonder if that's a thing. Hold on. I'm gonna say mm, that doesn't exist, right? No. So if I'm to create a thing, I think I know like chakra. Hold on, this I can create like a custom thing here in the theme area. Where the fuck is it? Hold on. Style systems. No. Yeah, this here. Okay, so this is I can create it like this. Define style config, and of course we have definition of the design. This is not config, and I can just pass this out like this, right? No, but that's yeah. 25%. That's my take. No, like 1 in 4 people. That's that's my thing. Companies, honestly, that changes like from management to management because some managers are, like some management has like decent setup and they have like decent implementations in place that allow you to grow, learn, like excel, whatever. And some are just like playing numbers games. They just like they only pay attention to fucking numbers, nothing else. For example, so I think it kind of like uh depends. Subtitles. Oh shit! I actually had subtitles, but I went to the other one, so I don't have it on this one. Okay, okay, hold on. Chakra UI create custom component. Yes, Nick. Bro. Do you feel when you write bad code? Huh? Like, if I, when I write a bad code, if I can feel that I'm writing a bad code? Coding up a project and I just feel like this is a horrible way, and I'm sitting there, just a horrible way to do it. If I hate this code as I'm writing it. Yeah, that definitely happens to me. Happens to me, like, definitely, and I fucking hate that feeling so much. So this is the way to do this thing, huh? Okay, okay, I like it. I'm gonna test it out, see if this works. Okay. All right. I just feel like I'm writing real-time legacy. Woo! Ah. So how the fuck do I use this? Like, I don't understand. Chakra Factory. Yeah, I want to do fucking time, but it doesn't think that it exists. Uh, Fuck. All right, let's go. Let's go. So it is a fucking thing. How did you start your career in software engineering? I'm self-taught, so I just started learning out of curiosity, and it stuck. So why is Chakra not liking this though? I don't understand. Mm, okay, constant. I'm gonna do equals this Chakra, and I'm gonna call this time, and then I'm gonna do here console.log time count. I'm gonna do time. I don't know if this is gonna come out. Yeah, it doesn't like it. Type error is not a function. Hold on, did I do it wrong? No, I'm like, import Chakra from Chakra UI React. Yes, that's exactly what I've done. Two, I self-taught with some Udemy courses. I never done Udemy, to be honest. Udemy didn't, like, I don't know. I think for me, like, what's important is more in a platform is the presenter of the course or tutorial. You know, like it needs to like translate into the way that I'm learning things. Yeah, this is, it doesn't like this. Why? Why though? It doesn't make any fucking sense. Chakra is not a function. Motherfucker. Hmm. It's weird. I'm following the documentation, but it doesn't like it. What the fuck is going on here? Let's try this. Hmm. I don't see a fucking problem there. And if I do this over here, just out of fucking curiosity, I don't fucking care. I just want to see that it renders. Is it throwing me an error? It's throwing me something. Core system, system.utils.ts. Motherfucker. Okay. System source, systemutils.ts. Systemutils.ts. Sure, what's the name? System.utils. What the fuck? I have no idea what the fuck is going on here. Motherfucker, bro. This is some fucked up shit. Oh, this is fucking. I'm being dumb. Let's reload it. Okay, looks like the error has gone away. Okay, so it does do its thing. Okay, that did work. Cool. I can utilize that. And if I say, for example, hold on. Yeah, this is going to be chakra.time. Don't need this anymore. Don't need this anymore. This is the children. This is the things that I'm passing down. Cool. Don't need this. Don't need this. Don't need this motherfucker either. Oh shit, I actually need that one. Alright, you're gonna go to the top. Folios. Ooh. Okay. Don't need this either. Okay. So in here, all right, when I'm dealing with this, and if I say color equals red, that should work. I'm going to reload this one because I want to go check out my email here. What the fuck am I doing? Where am I? Okay. So where the fuck am I? Oh, this is the thing. It's the list over here. Hmm. What about this? Would this work? All right, so no more errors. The things update perfectly fine. And okay, let's verify the component type being here time. Okay, yeah, it comes out as time. Any errors? Oh shit. Any errors with the type declaration? No. This, sorry, let me, okay, so I'm gonna get rid of this. And then JavaScript beginner. Yo, hey, how you doing, my dude? Mm, okay, let's make sure this still works. Okay, no errors. I think I like it. Cool. Cool. All right. This is complaining about what in the sample type box props. Mm, is it complaining about this particular thing here? No. Is it complaining about this particular thing here? No. What the fuck? There you go. There you go. No errors. Cool. And let's make sure there's no error here either. Wherever the fuck we are doing that. Okay, and I can pass parameters to it. Nice. Alrighty, so I'm gonna come down here, and then now I can pass this fucking color date. Now let's go to team.js. All right, finally, bro. I need to create a thing called date. Date data comes right after this. Okay, so this is the dark, and then if I switch this thing to light, inspect, it's still the same color. What the fuck? All right, all right. Constant props equals okay, color equals date and rest props and box props. All right, so now you're good. All right. So there should be like no problem here. I have to reload this and test this out because I need to see like this color, sorry, this color here coming out as expected. 3 errors. What the fuck are you talking about? I wish like you showed me where this coming from, bro. Where is it coming from? I don't. You are using my website? Huh, cool. What are you doing with it though? It's not active. Where? Where is it coming from? Like, I wish you fucking showed me. You registered your email? Oh, cool, dude. Nice. Yeah, it's you should be able to start using the site like by June, probably no later than June, with like actual thing. Export. Uh. Thanks for registering, dude. I appreciate it. Okay, the error went away. I don't know why it went away, but it went away. Let's check this out one more time. Oh, because I did not do add, and it was showing us as a div inside a P, which is not supposed to be. So it was like bitching out. So this motherfucker right here now should have the color date. It has a CSS color, check our colors date. Okay, cool. Which is cool. I like it. So let's look at this one. Cool. Look at this. And the date there is blue because I overwrote it. So I'm going to come down here to my thing. And then where is the fucking, yeah. This should go away in a second. There you go. Sweet, bro. Me like it. All right. Cool. Cool. Yeah, I want to see what this color is. Inspect amount, class amount. So I kind of want to create a color for price in the theme. This is nuts. Should I call it amount or should I call it price? I feel like calling it price. All right, let's go check this out. Doesn't look like it looks the way that I want it to look. Oh shit, I didn't I didn't assign it to the thing. So user subscription and title description, user subscription, and then in this thing here, tag, subscription detail, plan details, payment provider, time, and then price. Yeah. If only I could type, right? That would be sweet. Motherfucker. I can see that's a different color. Mm. All right, I'm gonna go use the restroom. Give me a second here, y'all. I think I have to approach it a different way. Can you help me? How to generate what? Let me use the restroom, and you ask your question. All right, let me get some T unique API. Generate unique API. I don't know what that means. Unique API. What is a unique API? You gotta elaborate a little bit. I don't know what it is. Was a good boy. Was a good boy. Sorry, mistake. Coder JI. Huh? You're. I have no idea what you're talking about. What's JI? All right, ask your question again because I have no idea what you're saying here. I'm lost for words. All right, so components. Let's create a new one here. Ew. 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 Check your project. Where is your project? How do I see your project? How do I check your project? Do you have a link? Yeah, let's call this amount, currency, and then we're going to call this US currency equals this. And then there's going to be a join here. We're going to say amount is going to be a number. And then we're going to do currency. Currency equals, we're going to call this is going to be string. So I guess return. No, motherfucker, return. You fuckhead. How do I check your thing? Like what is the link? What is the project? So we're gonna do const equals, no, constant props equals this, and then we're gonna do rest, and then we're gonna do here color equals price. And we're gonna do here props and return, right? We're gonna say here currency. And we're gonna do amount divided by 100. Okay. Oh shit. I don't know what the fuck was going on there. Okay, so here, instead of doing this now, right? So description, instead of doing this here, all I gotta do. Ah! Okay, before we do this, I need to come over here. Price. So now it's going to be available there. Okay. Okay. And then I'm going to call this amount equals price. Let's import this motherfucker. I don't know if this is going to work, but let's see. No, currency. I don't understand. Like, I'm giving it a default value, so why the fuck are you complaining? All right, fuck it. Object, month. This is some bullshit. So this is gonna say my filter sold here. I don't understand. The fuck am I looking at? It looks like it did compile without errors, which is something else. I didn't know React had a thing like that, but let's go. What exactly does it do anyway? App to HTML. Ah, shit. Ugh. I do dumb shit all the time. There you go. God damn it. Hmm. Hmm. I'm doing this wrong, like very, very wrong. I'll do children here. Okay. And children. So I should be able to just do this. It's a dumb shit to do. Now they are all the same price. Now, oh, I was clicking on the fucking thing. What the fuck? This is really odd. I can't see the fucking color. It says BS body color. I know that's not the fucking case. So if I'm going to here, right, and I do inspect, this is my fucking thing here. Okay. And if I do price, okay. This kind of matches it. So if I go to price, and then the light, and then I do these, because that's not the correct color for sure. Okay. Color for date is different. Okay. Ba, 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 ba. Anyway, that's fine. I'm just gonna go over here. Okay, let's reload this. It looks okay. Cool. We're gonna do this. What the fuck? Ah! There you go. Cool. All right, that should be good. Okay. Coolios. No. I'm gonna take a little break and then I'm back. All right. I'm back. Let's continue. Okay. Mm, 3 errors. What the fuck? I wish you fucking told me where it is. So it's coming from the price txt line 10. The fuck? So this can't be all the fucking things here, bro. Options, source maps. I'm not sure that's a thing, but let me just read. Bulk of them it doesn't recognize. Next.js source maps. Fucking motherfuckers. No, I'm trying to copy a certain section, fuckhead. All right, let's reload this. 19 fucking seconds. So it fucking renders, but it doesn't like the way it renders itself. God damn. Is it because like it's nested? It shouldn't be because the price, the structure there, right? So we are looking at this. Okay, yeah, fuck it. Span. I think that's why, because like, you're not supposed to nest P inside P. Oh my god. All right, the error is gone. So this should be, it says span inside P, it doesn't care. That's why it's bitching. Cool. Yeah, that's that. All right. Now, why are you jumping to the home? Oh my god, this editor is getting like more and more fucking annoying. Okay, can close this, close this, close this, close this, close this. 17 million motherfuckers. All right. Okay, cool. Now, I can actually delete this fucker. Delete. Oh, let me check what's in it first. Right, right. Yeah, we can delete it. Delete key. Cool. All right. So let's. My subscription. I got to pee again, bro. This tea. I keep drinking tea, but it wants to come out. Ah, All right, let's continue. Static, I'm scared. Ah! Screen goes black. Yeah. So this user subscription here is missing lost payment. So what I'm thinking here for the lost payment, I think this should get patched inside the subscription item instead, right? Yeah. So where am I really getting the lost subscription? Oh shit, that's why I didn't want to delete that file because that file had how to get the lost subscription. But it's okay. You have to get the lost payment, but it's okay. Um, we'll manage it. We'll manage it. We'll manage it. Yeah, there is a row here that says lost payment, and that's missing, and we need to fetch that. So, all right. So the subscription item. Ooh. So where the fuck is the user subscription here? Oh, it's here. Yeah, we're gonna move this motherfucker to over here. Subscription item. Subscription item. That's what we name it. And then this motherfucker here gets deleted. Okay. Subscription item. Sweet. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So excuse me. Okay. Well, so subscription item, we're going to come down here, but the lost payment, nope, we do not want that. We do not want that. Also, I don't like that this is nested, so I'm going to come down here. Subscription equals S new. Yeah, this is just going to be S, right? And then, yeah, this whole thing is going to be subscription. There we go. Cool. So this should still work. It does. Me like it. Bruh. So this is a use client. So why are we doing a use client? Because we have all this shit here that is okay. 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 And then this, okay, let's get this functional first. Okay, right now this is probably broken. Does it still work? It. Okay, I don't see an error right now. Okay. Yep. Yeah. So I think the way that we are passing things down, subscription detail, this, this entire thing here should be subscription. Ah. Yeah, I kind of had to revert this one back simply because there we go. We are passing subscription as a fucking thing here. So this is going to be subscription. Okay. Yeah, that should not matter since we are not, it's a conditional rendering. So what the fuck? Status text to lowercase. He might have left. Shy, you still here? It's probably gone. Do you follow or rather do you know of MVC? Um, I used to use MVC frameworks and I used to follow it, but these days I haven't really utilized that, to be honest. Yeah, this is not gonna work because this fucking thing gets passed as. God damn it. A data serializer is a controller, right? Mm, no. What? No, controller in that context, it means like it's more like a decision maker. No. I mean, it's an entity, but it's more like a decision maker on like how to handle or make a decision or how to proceed on something. And MVC is more like a concept for like web development, and the controller in that case is like it more like, okay, so you have like a path, and a controller looks at the path, and then it deciphers what this path is, and it makes a decision on what view or function or class to call or initiate depending on what the path is, for example. So like if you're a profile, controller will say, okay, call the profile class or call the function profile function, right? If the path is like user and the method is post, it's gonna be like, oh, call this class, the user view class, and then call the post method of that or create method of that class because of that. So controller is more like a decision maker. So like if you look at the architecture here, like that should kind of explain what it does. Yeah, there you go. Controller. Layer contains the application logic necessary to facilitate communications across the application, acting as an interface between the view and model layers. The controller is sometimes viewed as the brains of the application. Yeah, kind of like a decision maker, keeping everything moving and in sync. Yeah, that's what controller does. And model is like it handles your database operations. So that's more like it. Like, yeah, like Laravel is a model view controller thing, right? Laravel, MVC architecture. So like Laravel runs on that, right? Fuck off with your fucking pop-ups, motherfucker. So they have models which represents your tables in your database, and then views are the ones, the function that handles or generates your response, handles the incoming request and generates a response. And controller is like, it is the one that handles like what to do, that decides what to do. So you can assign a controller to an endpoint to a specific path and whatnot, and then there are like further things that it does inside. So yeah, artisan, make controller, user controller, and then like this handles all the user related stuff. Like you can create things. It's kind of like the view sets in Django or views in Django. It's a bit more like baked together in Django because path is like you assign that view function or class to that particular path, and then that does what it needs to do. Like it takes care of the, what the controller is supposed to do. It's kind of like baked into it. It's baked into the views. You muted me 3 minutes ago. What the heck? Hold on. Yeah, I would say like if you're curious about what MVC and how it works, what it is and how it works, Laravel is a good example to kind of like look into. Okay. No, do your thing. I'm not sure. You ask, I answered to the best of my abilities. So you are my get fucked card, bruh. And then you got me fucked instead. Oh shit. Well, I hope you learned something. That's why, motherfucker. Yeah, I think we should be good here. Cool. Okay. So you just pass the subscription and it'll take care of the thing. And then we're going to fetch. There we go. We're going to fetch the last payment ourselves. I'm going to make this fluid box. Cool. It should work just the same. How did I get you fucked? I don't understand. Like you said something and then what I said went ahead against what you were saying. Na, 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 na. What the fuck are you doing? You fucking weirdo. Jesus, dude. Ah! And let's reload and make sure this works. Hoppata, no errors, and let's go. Okay, okay, that's good. Mhm. Got an email again. Huh? Fucking spamming motherfuckers, bro. Alright. So, do I have any actions here? I think I do, right? Get subscription, cancel subscription. Okay, so in here, subscription manager, subscription constructing your subscription planes. Okay. What the fuck is the error here? Oh, I'm thinking of doing something else. Global error. No, what? How the fuck am I doing the error boundary here? So this is an error boundary, but it's not fucking. It breaks the whole application. What the fuck? This is some bullshit, bro. Okay. Next.js error boundary. Six pages. Fuck that. Okay. App router. So I need an error.tsx. Motherfuck. I remember doing this, but I guess it doesn't work in Next.js without the error.js. Okay, let's do error.tsx. So we want that to be right here. I'm going to do TypeScript file, uh, error, uh-huh. Not right now, uh-huh. So if I come down here now and I reload this, this is supposed to just show me the thing that I'm supposed to see. It did not show. Oh, it did. Okay. Okay. This is you. I'm getting confused. What's the point of having an error boundary that... Okay, hold on, let's look at this one more time. Error.js automatically creates a React error boundary that wraps a nested child segment or page.js component. React component exported from the error.js file is used as the fallback component. If an error is thrown within the error boundary, the error is contained and the fallback component is rendered. Covering from errors. iCardi, yo. What the? Where? Where is it getting this error boundary? Like, I don't understand. Am I supposed to create it? Like, what the fuck is going on here? Yeah, we know what's going on here. There's many things you're not allowed to code about. Yeah, this is literally what I'm trying to do. So like it displays here like in a nice and sleek way. That Question just comes on this a generic error package stack trash. The error is useful during development enterprise. And for handle errors, not next is only to define error.js file in your pages directory. The file can be used to create custom error pages displayed. So I don't really have to do it myself. It's Next.js automatically does it for me. So I think I still do need this. Error boundary, right, state. Uh-huh. Okay. Let's go. Pew, 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 pew. This is kind of crazy that it is, even though there is error, it's not fucking, doesn't care. Yeah, it looks like I didn't do it properly. it is false, even though there is a fucking error, which is weird. I want to see which one is rendering. Shit, it's gonna time out. Yeah, it's gonna time out. Mail. Oh, okay. So this is the one that worked. So it does work even without the error boundary, which is making me feel even more confused. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. So mm, there is a center, and then there's like an absolute center. It made the whole page reload. Come on, baby. think I would like the chakra container better. Oh shit, not chakra container. Dashboard container. Jesus Christ. It's so cold. Why is it so cold? Oh, he opened the door. Because I'm gonna go close this door and then I'll be back. Hold on. Yeah. Fuck. It's cold today, yo. And I'm getting hungry. Ugh. Hmm. I don't feel like doing work. Fuck. I feel like chilling. Yeah, I'm gonna call it. I'm not in the mood. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.